Well, this is the magnet test for the new EMD Navigator magnetic tank pouch. So right now we are using a Moto X style along with this very heavy cover. The weight of this phone comes to about total weight about 200 grams. So now we'll be like putting this phone in the pouch and doing a upside down test on this metal frame. So let's check it out if the magnet of this bag can hold the weight. Hold on. Well, got the phone in place. Let's check it out. Oh yes, it holds. So yes, the magnets are fantastic on this bag. Let's check. Vibrations while riding. Oh, still rolling.